Hey there! Welcome to Lesson 4 of GoMining Basics course. In previous lessons, we talked about GoMining, our ecosystem and products, and explored the concept of digital miners in detail. We learned about key features of a digital miner, what affects your ROI and how you can get the most of your miner and your rewards. Now it's time to actually start earning Bitcoin with GoMining. In this lesson, you'll learn step-by-step how to buy a digital miner at GoMining, upgrade your miner and make it more efficient with time, sell your miner if you change your mind. Let's get it started. There are two ways to get a miner at GoMining. Option 1, you can create your own miner. Option 2, you can buy an existing one on our marketplace. As a new user, to unlock all features, including reward withdrawal and miner upgrades, you need to go with the option 1 with your very first miner and create it yourself. This process is very simple and extremely straightforward, and in this lesson, we'll guide you through it step by step. Ready? When you click on Create Miner, you can pick one of the preset packages or go for a custom miner. Now, you can choose how much power, terahashes, and efficiency, watts per terahash, you want, and check how much BTC rewards a miner with these specs will bring you. When it comes to computing power, you can choose any value up to 5,000 terahashes per miner. It's fully flexible to match your budget and strategy. The more terahashes, the bigger your share of mining power, the bigger daily rewards. Now, time to choose energy efficiency. This determines how much energy your miner consumes per unit of power. Lower is better. This way, your miner uses less energy for the same amount of terahashes, which means less energy cost, so more Bitcoin profit for you. With GoMining, you can pick between two efficiency options when creating a miner. 15 watts per terahash, the most efficient option. It has a higher cost, but it gives your miner higher profitability. 20 watts per terahash, a more affordable starting point. Right below, you'll see estimated rewards for a day, month, and year, along with your projected annual ROI, based on your selected power, energy efficiency, and Bitcoin price on the day of purchase. By adjusting the amount of terahashes or energy consumed, you can immediately project how that will affect your daily rewards and annual ROI. And that's it. No worries, no prerequisites. It literally takes just a few clicks to set the miner you need. Once you purchase your miner, you'll receive a unique digital miner with your selected specs that will be visible in your Mining Farm tab. It will start mining right away, and you'll begin receiving daily Bitcoin rewards, with the first reward landing in your wallet in 24 hours. You can collect different miners and build a whole farm that will be mining Bitcoin for you daily. Additionally, whenever you're ready and feel like you want to improve your miner's performance, you can upgrade it by the amount of terahashes per miner or improve its energy efficiency, so it consumes less energy for doing the same amount of work, which means more Bitcoin for you. Creating your first miner unlocks multiple features within our ecosystem, and GoMining Marketplace, the place where users buy and sell miners, is one of them. GoMining Marketplace. Traditionally, selling physical mining hardware can be difficult, slow, and sometimes nearly impossible. That's why here at GoMining, we created the marketplace to give users an easy way to stay flexible and liquid with their digital miners. Once you click on the Marketplace tab, you can see user-listed miners. Those are previously purchased miners being resold, which include rare collectibles, unique miners from early or sold-out collections. New limited drops. Sometimes we release exclusive miners directly to the marketplace that are tied to specific events, holidays, or other significant collaborations. For each miner you can see its exact specs, power and efficiency, choose collections, see its appearance in advance, and its blockchain network, keeping everything transparent before you buy. In case you're collecting unique and rare miners, you can also see its achievements and rarity in comparison to other miners in the ecosystem. It's also important to remember that digital miners purchased from other users at Marketplace do not count towards your VIP level. All payments on the Marketplace are made in GoMining tokens, so you will need to top up your GoMining wallet balance for the purchase. We've covered the first part of the lesson. Now you know how to add a miner into your collection. How to upgrade a miner. Upgrading a miner improves your miner's performance, and hence increases your daily rewards. To start, click the Upgrade button on the main page or open your mining farm and select the miner you want to upgrade. Then, click Upgrade next to that specific miner. You'll have the option to enhance either power or energy efficiency. After choosing which aspect to upgrade, a projected ROI will be displayed for each upgrade. This helps you understand how a specific upgrade can impact your future mining rewards and make a more informed decision. And now, let's get to the final topic of the lesson: how to sell your miner. Sometimes your mining strategy changes, and that's completely normal. Whether you want to take a break or adjust your mining farm, you can easily sell your miner to another user on the GoMining marketplace. Let's walk through this process step by step. Step 1. You need to select the miner that you want to sell and start the sale process. It's important to remember that all payments on the marketplace are made using the GoMining token, so your price will be set in GoMining tokens. Step 2. There are two options. You can either set a fixed price manually based on what you think it's worth. Link your price to the market average for miners with the same power and efficiency. This reflects the fair price of a new miner with similar specs. You can adjust your price higher or lower depending on your goals. Remember that a 5% marketplace fee applies to all miner sales. And remember to double-check your price before confirming. Once listed, your miner can be purchased instantly, and the sale cannot be undone. Step 3. Confirm the sale. For GoMining Wallet, simply tap Sell. Your miner will appear on the marketplace immediately. For BSC, Ethereum, TON, or Solana wallets, make sure you connect your wallet on the same network as your miner. Depending on your wallet type, you may also need to confirm the connection and approve the transaction. For step-by-step instructions, check our product guides. Once done, tap Sell. Your miner will be listed on the marketplace and will be available for other users to buy. Another great news is that until purchased, your miner will keep mining Bitcoin for you. Great job! You've learned how to buy, upgrade, and sell your digital miner, everything you need to manage your mining setup with confidence. See you in Lesson 5.